Okay guys, so today we have the Oculus Go. This is an unboxing video. We're gonna open this thing up and see what's inside. Let's get started. Okay, so this is the box from the front. Let's flip it upside down and see what we have here. We can open this up, I suppose. Actually, I think this just slides over. We just do this and pull it up, shake it a little bit. I think the bottom should come up. Yep, it came off right now. So let's have a look what do we have. So this is the top of the box here, nothing inside obviously, and the bottom just dropped out. Let's have a look what do we have here. So we have the goggles here, the unit, we have the straps, and we have a little box in here. Let's see what's inside of this box. So open this up. Okay, very nice little box. So let's see some of the items that should be in here. The headset, which we have. The controller, we'll find that in a moment. The cord, the lanyard. Eyeglass spacer, which is right here, I suppose. This is the one that if you're wearing glasses, you can put this on as a little eyeglasses symbol, and just to give you a little bit more space so your glasses aren't pushing against the lens. So this is quite useful if you wear glasses. USB cable, 2 AA batteries, and a cloth to clean the lenses. Okay, so what do we have? Let's lift this up. We should have, there's the battery, one of them, one battery, that's all it needs. Let's leave that here. We have, yeah, the little cord for the controller, I guess, and nothing else. That's this box. We can close that, we can put that over here. Let's see what is inside of this one. Okay, the USB cable. This is, I suppose it's a really good quality. It feels like a really good quality data cable. I like the rubber on this. Feels really good. And then what's this? The manual. There's nothing else in here. Let's well, we can put that here. We have the cleaning cloth. Okay, let's take this out. Oh, this is really soft. This is like micro fiber. Yeah, this is not your regular cotton t-shirt. This is really smooth and silky. The fiber on this is really thin. It's yeah, it might be good for cleaning your phone or cleaning the lens of this. This is great. Okay, let's set that aside. The manual. Okay, suppose the manual in a bunch of languages here. I have the English at the start. Okay, some interesting tips. Where to attach the cord and how to assemble this. Okay, great. I think this is quite simple to use. We probably won't need that at the beginning. We'll see maybe if we run into some problems. Let's take out the unit. There's the controller. There is the controller, yeah. Let's take this off. This can be thrown away. And yeah, the controller has an extra button here at the back. Great. This is great. It has the back button, the home button, and a little trackpad right here, which is also clickable. You can click on that. Great. Okay, and I suppose the battery goes underneath here. This should just slide out like this. Let's put the battery in right now. So the battery goes in like this. Okay, great. Oh, and the light turns on. I don't know if you can see that. The little light right here, yeah, that lights up. I suppose this means that the controller is being powered. Oh, this is really good. I suppose it's reversible. Yeah, it is. You can put it on like this or like this. That's really good design. Great. For shooting, for tracking, for moving around, for clicking. Another click button. So I suppose you have 1, 2. It's like a mouse. Great. So let's put that over here with the battery now. Let's take out this unit. This is the last thing in the box. What is this? Grab your phone to get started. Oh yeah, you need your phone. Initially, you need the phone to set this up, just to create an account. But once you set it up, you don't need your phone anymore. This is a standalone unit. So let's have a look at it. This is great. Yeah, it has shiny reflective lens. I suppose this peels off. Oh, we can, well, I'll leave that on. Oh, here we go. Can take this off. So now it's like a little nice matte. And I suppose there's tape everywhere. This tape is all around this unit. Let's take this off. So that's going in the garbage. And nothing on this side. Great. Okay. So yeah, this is the unit. You have the microphone hole here. That's for the microphone. We have the charging port and the headphone jack. It's a micro USB. We have 2 buttons here. This is, I suppose, volume down, volume up, and the power button, and an LED next to the power button. So we're gonna power this on. Suppose you hold power. Maybe it needs to be charged. It's quite possible that you need to plug it in before using it, because right now there is nothing. So we will go ahead and plug this in, but before we do, let's have a look at the lens. And these rotate. This is great. Feels like a really solid unit. I really like this design. In pictures, this didn't look that great. It looked like a toy, but in the hands, it really feels like nice. Let's take off. No sunglasses or lenses. No sunlight on lenses. Yeah, it's very important here. What I read, what it says here, well, you can see no sunlight on lenses, which means that these lenses are really sensitive to light, to sunlight, not to light, to sunlight, direct sunlight. So don't put them into the into the sunlight directly, because what I've heard, at least from the reviews, that these lenses can get permanently damaged and you will get like spots, or basically the quality, the visual quality will get like reduced because of the burn-ins. So these apparently are quite sensitive, so take care of them. And I suppose over here this is like a sensor that tells you if you're wearing it or not. So as soon as you put it on, it should turn on. That's what I heard. So let's see. I suppose we're gonna go ahead and plug in the USB. Let's see, because as of right now, there's no power over here. So let's take this USB out and plug it in. So this is an interesting design. You need to tear this off. Okay, just taking off the cardboard here from the USB cable, and I'm gonna plug this in. Oh, the other way. That's why I like USB-C type C, as you can never mess up the way you put this in. So yeah, this is now plugged in, and I'm gonna go ahead and plug this into actually, I suppose it doesn't come with a charger, but I suppose you can use any charger. So I'm gonna go ahead actually and see if I can plug it into the power bank here. So I'm going to plug it in. It's being plugged into the power bank, and let's see if this this thing charges or turns on. Okay, so we have the charging light now. The charging light is on. Okay, I'm gonna take this box off. Yeah, nothing else in here. It's just can put that out of the way. So yeah, it's being charged right now, and I'm not sure if you have to leave it on charging for a while or, but well, let's have a look in the manual. That's the manual. Okay, let's see. So I suppose I can turn this on. Or can I? Not actually sure. What if I hold it? Let me see if I can put it on. Well, okay, yeah, so you can't see that. You can't, or can you? Yeah, well, it only activates when you... Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but in the lens, when I actually put it on, it's it says charging, and there's a 10%. I don't know if you can see that through the lens, probably not. But that's what it says inside of the unit. So when I put it on, actually I have to press the button here at the top, and then when I put it on, it's charging. So it's at 11% right now. It was at 10, it's at 11. And yeah, that's I'm not sure if you have to leave it charging up or not, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let it charge to 100%, and then before continuing. If you like this video, click on like and subscribe, and look for video number 2 in my channel.